Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how to secretly read messages on WhatsApp without anyone knowing it. How you can secretly read messages on WhatsApp without anyone knowing it. So without wasting time, let's dive right in. To prove to you that it is true, I will use this first phone and send a message to the other phone, and then I will use that second phone to read the message without it showing that I have already seen the message. So I will open WhatsApp. Yes, this is already the page. I will just write a message. Hello. Again, sorry for the late reply. I will send it and then read it with the other phone. This is it. As you can see, this is it. Hello, but I've not yet opened it. I will first of all, if I open it now, it will show blue. So I will first of all go and just off one setting and then come and show you and come and read it. So go to settings, go to privacy, just go down a bit, scroll down, and then you off this read receipt. That's it. And then you go back and read the message. He will not know that you have already seen the message. That's it. Open it. Now open it. Open it. This is it. Hello. So again, sorry for the late reply. As you can see guys, this is 100% good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe, like and comment. If you have any doubt, comment and I'll answer you in the comment section. See you in the next video.